Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to clone the save screen of threads.
Yeah, so they might already
Okay, so let's get right into it. So in the screens, you say save info screen dot dat. We import materials dot dat and then create a stateless widget and call it save info screen. Of course, we import the scaffold and then we have our body save area, child, padding. You are familiar with this by now. Head inside dot symmetric, vertical 10. So we then have our child, and of course, will be a column with the children, and we'll have a, let's see, a text saying save your login info. Give it a style. It will be a text style. Increase the font size to 18. The font weight dot bold. Okay, okay. Now we need to be able to move from here to the save info screen. And so what we will do is we'll come here, actually here, and say started const route name save info screen. All right, then we move to the main dot dat and register it there. And so save info screen dot route name, where we have the context, we'll be mapping that to the save info screen. All right. And so back here, where we have the on press, we'll say navigate to save info screen. Now, please, again, this is just me building the UI. In the second part of this video, where we get to the business logic of the app, we would be implementing real functionalities, not just giving it navigations. Okay, so let's just create a function for this. And so say navigate, and that will be navigator dot push name, and we'll set this to save info screen dot route name. So let's save both, and now let's see login, and there we go, looking awesome. All right, so the next thing that we have to do is say we will save the log info for quick codes, so you won't need to enter it next time you log in. I would have to be coming here multiple times because I ain't going to remember all that. But let's see. Text. And then let's go again. It says we will save the login info. All right. So we will save the login info for, you could put your name there and just say quit quotes. So you won't need to enter it next time you log in. So you won't You won't need to enter it next time you log in. All right, of course, let's style this and give it a text style. Font size say 16. Um, then a text align of text align dot center. All right, let's see how that looks. Okay, I think we are getting it. Mm. Maybe a little space between both texts. Font size box, a height of 20 will do. All right, let me just add some training comments here. The next thing, let me just say maybe a circle avatar or a container. Anyone would work. So let's see. Let's use a container. It's more customizable than the circle avatar. So if I can spell container. All right, very good. And I think we just have to remove the const from here. Do not worry about all these blue squiggly lines. We just have to just put const here and all the warnings will go away. So let's say child, and the child will be a icon, and icons dots. Let's see, person. Okay. Now let's give it a decoration, a box decoration, and we'll have shape to be box shape of circle. Okay. And maybe the border also be border dot all, maybe palette dot white color. Let's import that. Okay, let's see how that looks. Okay, let's change this to white color. I think this is something. I was going for this. Yes, I am bad at naming variables. Let's see. Okay, it's looking good. Let's just wrap this with a circle avatar again. And then let's increase the radius to say 20. All right, and then let's say child. Where am I going with this? So radius, say child here. All right, 20 is too small. Let's double that and see. Okay, let's just leave space and say a height of 20. Okay, now let's check. And let's increase the radius to 50 as well. Okay, this is looking good. All we have to do now is increase the size to 40. Let's close that. All right, let's see. And this is looking great. All right. Now all that we have to do next is this divider, the save button, and the not now button. Now, remember that we created a custom button. Told you that we are going to be using the custom button many times, so it was good to create it in a separate widget so that it could be used later. So all now we have to do is just say column. Actually, let's say expanded. Child should be column. Children, and then the first thing you have would be the custom button. And let's say save. And then let's copy that. And then just say not now. Let me just add the main asset alignment. And let's see what we got. All right. Okay, this is looking great, but they are near the edges. So what I will do is in the pattern, I will add horizontal and say 20. This is looking good. Let's just add a font size box of height 10. Great. But it is still not up to how we want it. We want to design, we want to make the background color of the button transparent. So in order to make the background of the custom button, we'll go back here and specify the color. Nope, here. And say background color will be equal to color. So we come here and say final color. Okay, required s dot color. Okay, I think this is looking great. So we just have to come to the save login and rather remove the required from here to get rid of all the errors. Now what I have done is when we want to specify the property of the color, it is, as we can see, it is already blue. So when we want to change it, when we want to change the color, the background color, we could specify the color. And that's exactly what I have done. It's so simple. So you just have to come here and say color and say palette dot transparent. Okay. And there we go. Still not looking. So let's just go to the custom button and what we'll do is that. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll say side and say border side and set the color to palette dots. Again, we need to import it, so say that. So white color. Let's see. There we go. There we go. So I think that is this is the save your login info, and we have been able to design it correctly. Yeah. So let's move on to the next one. All right then. So that was the video for the save screen. In the next video, we are going to get into the main part of the series where we are going to clone the home screen, the set screen, the favorite, and the profile screen. We're going to do all that. So please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. And see you in the next video.